There are just three reasons why people do not succeed in their life. This is going to be a harsh reality, but everyone wants to succeed. Yes or no? Human beings are stupid. There are just three reasons why people do not succeed in their life. This is going to be a harsh reality. In this video, I'm going to share with you three reasons why you are not succeeding in your life. My name is Murli Sundaram, popularly known as the Happiness Coach. And please do click the like button, subscribe button, and the bell icon notification so that you will always continuously listen and learn from these videos which I share in my channel. I meet a lot of people every single day, aspiring entrepreneurs, aspiring leaders. They all want to succeed. But after a few years, when I go back and see how they are still there where they started their life. But everyone wants to succeed, yes or no? You also want to succeed in your life, right? You also want to achieve that massive success in your life. You want to enjoy a lot of money and you want to have a lot of happiness and peace in your life, yes or no? But in my experience, in these last 2 decades of coaching and training, okay, I realized that there are three reasons why people are not successful. People are not succeeding in whatever they want to achieve. The number one reason is this, okay? This is going to be a little harsh. Reason number one, yes, human beings are stupid. Absolutely. Human beings are stupid. The reason why people don't succeed is because of their stupidity. It's a little harsh, right? Yeah, absolutely. I was also stupid like them once upon a time. You know how stupid I was? I was just blindly following what the world was doing. It's called herd mentality. If everyone is studying school and college and go to job, get loans, get yourself a lot of loans, and you follow that particular system and protocol without even thinking whether that is what you really want to do. I also did that same mistake. And do you know a lot of people who also do the same mistake? They don't think, huh? They don't think. They think for unnecessary things, but they don't think for their own life. Why? Because human beings are highly emotional, sentimental idiots. We make a lot of emotional decisions, and more than 90% of our emotional decisions end up in being mistakes. Have you seen brilliant, intelligent people making emotional mistakes? That's because our emotional brain is working most of the time because of the way in which we respond to situations around us. Everything is knee-jerk reaction. Okay, we don't think, we don't respond, we don't even ask questions. Okay, why? Because of the current education system. The education system is designed for you to only follow, not to question. But do you know the meaning of the word educate? Educate means to draw out. The draw out happens only when you start asking lot of questions. But nowadays we ask wrong questions instead of asking right questions. Remember, the quality of our life depends upon the quality of the questions that we are asking ourselves, and also the questions that we are not asking ourselves. Most of the time people don't succeed is because they make stupid decisions. They follow stupid advices, and the whole internet is filled with too much filthy and stupid advice by people who have not done it or seen it or achieved success. If you want to become successful, go and talk to people who have done it. Don't ask people who have not done it. Number one reason why people fail is because of stupid mistakes we do. And we do a lot of stupid things in our life. Yes or no? That's number one reason which I'm commonly seeing a lot. Why? Because the rational brain, the human brain doesn't work for them. They're always in a state of tension. They're always in a state of fast food mentality. They want everything fast. Success doesn't come fast. After 20 years of hard work, you will achieve success. There is no other parameter for success other than putting that hard work with a little bit of smart thinking. That's the secret of success. But when we start exercising too much of our emotional brain and become more and more emotional, it's very difficult for us to achieve more success in our life. The second reason, which I have also commonly observed in our life, in my life among all my students whom I coach, is the number two reason why they don't succeed is because most of the human beings are habitual. They form some habits in their life, and these habits determines our life. Have you heard the saying, habits deliver results? It doesn't matter whether it's a good habit or bad habit, both the habit delivers results. What do you do when you wake up early in the morning? What's your what's your automated habitual sequence? Maybe you get up from your bed, go to the bathroom, take the brush and brush teeth, wash your face, come back, have coffee. Is that a ritual routine you have created? Successful people, if you observe in their life, they've created a lot of routines in their life. They are all successful habit routines. They understand that there should not be too much of thinking on certain routines in their life, and they converted that into habits in their life. And that's the reason habits are really, really important. For example, for me, waking up early in the morning is a habit. And my first 1 hour, I have a structured sequence. It's a habit, and I follow only that sequence. I don't have to think too much. It works like a clockwork speed. You will see that success lies in your routine. Maybe just go back and analyze your daily routine. Do you have a daily routine? Even if it's a Sunday, are we following the same routine? Remember, successful people, for them 7 days a week is the same. There is no difference between a Sunday or a Monday for success. Every day is a success. That's the reason. The second reason why people don't succeed is they have developed a lot of wrong habits in their life, and because it has become a habit, they find it very difficult to break the habit, and they struggle a lot in breaking that one habit. They all, for example, many people come and ask me, "Sir, I want to wake up early in the morning. How do I do that?" They don't sleep early, so waking up early is very difficult. So if you want to wake up early in the morning, you need to sleep early. I'm just giving you one simple habit that people are stuck. If we have to do so, for example, I want to do a lot of exercise in the life. I want to wake up in the morning and do exercise. How do you build an exercise? At least you have to put the yoga mat, right? Then only the habit will come. So you need to focus on micro habits. There are fantastic books are available on this topic of habits. One of my favorite book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Go ahead and study this book. Go ahead and read this book. I will also put a summary in my Unlimited Happiness University. I've already shared a summary about what exactly you have to do from this book. It's a very important book that we all need to practice if you want to develop success habits in our life. So the number one reason why people don't succeed is we are all stupids. We are habitual, and the most important reason why people do not succeed is human beings are lazy. They just give some cock and bull stories on how the world is not working on their favor, why things are not working, people are not paying money, they are not successful, because they end up in blaming others. They are lazy. Why human beings are lazy? Because they don't have a purpose in their life. There is no purpose. They don't know why they are living. They do not know what is their special talent or gift given by God. Since we don't have a larger purpose, it's boring. We don't have the energy to wake up early in the morning. There is no energy to wake up early in the morning. We don't have energy to get excited and do the same boring job again and again and again and again and again. If you observe very successful people, you will see one thing in common. Even if they don't like it, they will still do it because it has become habitual. Because it's a discipline that they have developed. And for that, we need to have a lot of energy. So to have a lot of energy, we need to eat at the right time, we need to sleep at the right time, and we need to follow some good success habits. But the biggest problem of the laziness is also number three, lack of focus in what we want to do. Some of them set some amazing goals that this month I want to achieve all these things. But within 2-3 days, their whole focus is bursted by one WhatsApp message or one phone call or one email. or just someone passing by, passing a comment, maybe your relative or a friend or a neighbor, they just utter one statement and you're hooked on to that statement. And we all end up in living what others will think of me, why they did that to me, and we keep on blaming others itself. These are the three reasons I continuously observe with many of my community members who walk into the unlimited happiness community, because they all want to achieve more success and prosperity and health in their life. But when they come in, they come with these three things that they figured out that they did a lot of stupid things in their life. They are not focused, they are lazy, and they have a lot of bad habits. And once they come inside the Unlimited Happiness University, the minute they started learning and applying these techniques, they have seen some amazing results in their life. Thereby, they are able to achieve success and more happiness and spend a lot of time with their children. If you are still not part of my Unlimited Happiness University, go ahead, visit this website www.unlimitedhappiness.com. If you are interested, become a premium member, or even if you download the mobile app version, lots of ideas I have shared in the mobile app, thereby you can achieve more success in your life. I hope this video you found it useful, thereby you can achieve success every single day in whatever terms success means for you. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in another interesting video. Bye-bye.